Hello guys, welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. I hope you are well. I'm in the airport. I'm actually about to take a 2-week vacation aboard it's a newly built ship, the Sun Princess. So it turns out my cruise is the maiden cruise. I'm flying out into Rome. I have a 10-hour flight. Today, this is all about embarkation. So first impression, check out the room. See what the dining is like for the first night. Pretty chill night when it comes to embarkation night. So I'll take you along. So we're about to board here in about, I think about 5 to 10 more minutes. And then I'll show you, I got a transfer in Rome. So I'll show you how that looks just in case you've never done that before. Yeah, so let's get through this 10-hour flight to Rome. Alrighty guys, so I'm on the bus, getting ready to go to the Sun Princess, and as you can see, the transfer is pretty easy. So if you just want to pay for that to get to the bus and then the bus to the ship, you'll be good to go. If you have any kind of need any kind of assistance as well, they can help you with that too. So we're just waiting and we'll be on our way. Here is the opening of the door, and then here's the first view of the deluxe balcony room. We're entering here. You see nice little thermostat here, a mirror, and then here is, looks like, the storage space. Look at the other side, and they have a light that comes on as you open the door, and it smells so new. And then here's some towels they give you right here for the pool. Here's also cabinet space. There's the safe, the top there. Then you have storage space here. You have some drawers. They're pretty nice sized drawers. You get 3 drawers. And I'm on the other side. This is the bathroom, so we'll go check that out. Give you some hooks there for if you have your robes. Here's the room. Turn on the lights there for you. And you see there is a body wash and hand wash, body lotion and hand wash there. There's the overall bathroom. And if you go over here, we have a full shower in this one, no tub, which is fine. And it looks like they have in there the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So you don't have to bring all of that unless you have something special you like to use. Okay, and then moving on here, here's the main living space. Have a sofa here. couch. There's the bed. One of the most comfortable beds. Nice headboard area there. Now, you know, the TV there. And I'm winding around here. Desk sitting area is right across from the couch there. And then we have the balcony. Okay, so we'll use this rod to open the curtain here. There we go. And look at that view, guys. And it looks like the handle just pull up and push. That was easy. And let's head on out and see our balcony space. It is beautiful. It was so cloudy in the forecast, but the sun has come out for us as we all join the Sun Princess on this 10-day voyage. Simply beautiful, relaxing. And I hope one day you'll get the opportunity to experience this same experience aboard the Sun Princess. Then take note of this caution here. It says, due to strong winds, please keep the balcony door closed while the ship is at sea. And then it says curtains must remain closed at night to prevent interference with the ship's navigation. And here's the waters that I ordered before I got on the ship in advance. And here you can use the phone to call for a medical emergency. Room service is who I would call if I don't see it show up soon. If you want a wake up alarm so that you're staying on ship's time and on the correct time, that'd be great to use. Dining inquiries, guest services, housekeeping, Lotus Spa, and voicemails. Okay, this is great. So it gives you all the activities for today. And it says for today, the dress code is smart casual. All aboard will be at 5 p.m. I'm about an hour now from that 5 o'clock hour. And these are some of the vibes tonight with comedians are on board tonight. And then you have a morning activities, afternoon and evening activities. Looks like it's going to be comedy shows tonight. Live music as well tonight. And then there's going to be a movie, Under the Stars, Dirty Dancing. Yeah, but it looks like it's a comedy night, which is always great to start off. And then spotlight karaoke later in the night if you want to stay up a little later. And so as you can see, the action goes on until 2 a.m. if you're one of those night owls. Okay, now that we've done the room tour, next we must do our muster. So I'm going to go ahead, and I chose English on the television here. Tells you what you have to do for the safety essentials. So you're going to watch the video, safety video. Then they want you to proceed to the assembly station prior to sail away. So it'll say you can watch it on the stateroom TV there, or you can watch it on your mobile device. So and it says listen to ship-wide announcement of the safety procedures as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and say let's go. And it says complete your checklist. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the video. So all you would do is use your remote, click OK on that start right there, and then proceed to the assembly station. Yep, let me see if it'll work.
Yeah, there you go, Selena.
Yes. right, so I'm back in the room now, and as you can see, they have turned down the bed for me so that I can get some nice rest tonight. They also closed the curtains as well, so I am going to get in bed and rest for tomorrow's excursions as I continue my 10-day journey on the new Sun Princess. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this embarkation video of the new Sun Princess on February 28th, 2024. It has been a busy day traveling in, flying in, transferring over to the ship, and then getting all situated for my 10-day cruise. So I hope you learned something in this embarkation video. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Other than that, I wish you well on your first cruise or your next cruise, and happy traveling. God bless you. Bye-bye.